more powerful.
And growing in power every single day. It is more powerful than ever before. The internet, the cashless society, the payment processes, the banks, now coming AI. It is a powerful force growing in power every day with a singular goal to crush you into submission. You cannot brute force this. You cannot fight power with power. You need to get ahead of the strike coming for you and redirect it back into itself. AI is coming to enslave you, but AI can also be used to save you. You can use AI to become rich and escape the slavery before the door is fully shut. Now is the time to act. If you're in the e-commerce industry and you haven't already incorporated AI in your business, our intuitive AI helps entrepreneurs build, brand, and scale profitable dropshipping businesses using AI every step of the way. From selecting winning products, copywriting, to building out your store and designing new winning ad creators, as well as having an AI mentor that guides you every step of the way. Soon, the door for slaves to escape to freedom will be sealed shut with an AI lock. You must use AI to get rich now and escape the matrix before this happens. Head over to ecomgenie.com to revolutionize your e-commerce journey using AI every step of the way.